Apollo, you're doing well. So today our topic is mesothelioma trials. Mesothelioma is a rare and aggressive form of cancer that primarily affected the lining of the lungs, although it can also be affected other organs, just such as abdomen or heart. The primary cause of mesothelioma is exposure to asbestos, a mineral fiber commonly used in construction material, insulations, and other industrial products. So diagnosis mesothelioma can be challenging as its symptoms often mimic those of other respiratory conditions. So these symptoms may include shortness of breath, chest pain, persistent cough, fatigue, weight loss, and fluid build-up in the affected area. If mesothelioma is suspected, doctor may conduct imaging tests, biopsies, and other diagnosis producers to confirm the diagnosis. So treatment options for mesothelioma depend on various factors, including the stage on the disease and the location of the tumors and the overall health and patient's common treatment approaches, so including surgery, chemotherapy, and the relationship radiation therapy. In some cases, a condition of these treatment may be used to achieve the best outcome. So surgery aims to remove as much of the tumor as possible and may involve removing part or all of the affected organs. Chemotherapy utilize powerful drugs to kill cancer cells and may be administered orally. In intravenously, radiation therapy uses high energy waves to target it and destroy cancer cells. In addition to these standard treatment options, emerging therapies such as immunotherapy and targeted therapy are showing promise on the treatment of mesothelioma. These innovative approaches may to enhance the body immune response against cancer cells or target specific genetic mutation present in the tumor. So given the link between the asbestos exposure and mesothelioma, individual diagnosis with the disease may consider legal action to seek compensation for their medical expenses, lost wages, and other damages. Lawsuit and trials related to mesothelioma often involve gathering evidence to asbestos exposure, identifying responsible parties, and demonstrating the causal link between exposure and the development of the disease. So it's important for anyone diagnosed with mesothelioma to consult with an experienced mesothelioma attorney who specializes in asbestos litigation. This lawyer can provide guidance on the legal process, help identify potential source of exposure, and pursue compensation on behalf of the affected individual and their families. So in summary, mesothelioma is a serious and often fatal cancer primarily caused by exposure to asbestos. So diagnosis can challenging and treatment optional depend on various factors. Surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation therapy are common approaches, and emerging therapies show performance. Legal actions may be pursued seeks a compensation for the damaging related to asbestos exposure and the development of mesothelioma. Consulting with the specialized mesothelioma attorney or curricle in such access